Hello plenty Mashers and welcome back to the channel. Today we are doodling some makeup stuff and I couldn't be more excited about it. I created makeup theme in June. If you want to see that plan with me, the link will be in the description. So I decided that probably a doodle with me video would be a fun idea since I just had so much fun doodling makeup. In case you're new here, my name is Masha and I'm creating videos on bullet journaling, doodling, creativity. So be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you always know when I release a new video. Okay, let's get doodling. First, of course, the supplies, and I'm using my square arch and olive journal, which is perfect for doodling. I'm going to be using some Faber-Castell pens, my pencil, and for color, I will be using my Crayola Super Tips, which have been my obsession because they are super affordable and there's just like so many amazing colors there. So today we're doing makeup and well, that turned out to be one of the favorite things for me to doodle. There isn't much to kind of explain here. I tried to make it as self-explanatory as possible because I did get my brackets and now as I'm voicing it, it's pretty hard to talk and I'm quite sure I have like a slight lisp, I guess you call it. So yeah, I'll just leave you to it and I hope you enjoy this video and have as much fun doodling makeup as I did. A little word though on how this is going to be structured. I think you probably already realized, but I am going to do all doodles in black and white before I actually going to color them. Sometimes I feel like my coloring kind of like ruins the doodle because sometimes I might choose colors that, I don't know, I just don't like the final look of. So I decided that I'll give you a look of the doodles in pure black and white before I dive in and color it all. And there is a little technique I'm using here. As you can see, I am using a gray pen to create a light gray shadow. And I'm also adding some lines and dots inside the doodle to kind of add some more interest and dimension. It's just a few of the techniques, but these are probably some of my favorite. And speaking of that, I am actually going to be hosting a workshop on how to enhance your doodles. These two little things will be included, but there will also be tons of other information, worksheets, some doodling tutorials. So basically everything you need to bring your doodling skills to a brand new level. The workshop will be hosted this Saturday and I leave the link in the description to the workshop and the dates and all the information. And there will be a code just for my YouTube subscribers. And it will be active all throughout Friday night. So until the registration for the workshop will be closed. So in case you want to check that out, check the link in the description. And in case you are watching this long time after it got published, still check it out because I am planning on hosting lots of different workshops. So yeah, And if not, you can always just get on the mailing list, and I will just let you know next time I'll be hosting another workshop. I hope to see you there. And well, let's just go back to doodling. I also, as always, want to mention and send my deepest gratitude to everyone who supports me on Patreon. I love my Patreons. You guys are amazing. There's always so much love and so much support coming from you. And I just wanted to let you guys know that I do have a Patreon where I create lots of stickers and printables and tutorials to kind of help you bring your journal to a whole new level. And starting this week, we will be doing weekly live sessions. So there will be a lot of fun, a lot of interaction. If you want to join, the link is in the description. You can join for just as little as $1, and you get tons of the rewards for just $1 actually. And of course, I want to mention and send my deepest gratitude to everyone who is supporting me on Ko-fi. Every cup warms my heart so much. Thank you guys, and it really makes me so happy that I created something that was so useful that you decided to have a cup of coffee with me. So thank you for that. you prefer black and white or in color, and I will see you in the next video. Keep bullet journaling and don't be a blob. Bye!